This 2023 Grand Design Solitude 310 GKR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a cotton interior, sleeps 4, LP Detector, Colorado Detector, smoke detector, self-contained, air conditioning, oven, spare tire kit, external shower, microwave, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 310 GKR is 12,656 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.